It's about a different way of looking at vegetables, which I think is the right way to go. People should be eating more veg, we know that, but it's making them exciting, and I think this is a great way to start.
Well, yeah, we're going to do Hasselback roots. And a Hasselback potato is just a roast potato or a Hasselback root, and it's just cut so that it's got these little cuts in them. And they will then, you fill them with lovely oil and butter and salt and pepper, and they roast, and they are just delicious. And it's just another way. Thank you, my love. So I thought we would show you, I'll show you a potato, and we can show you a carrot and a parsnip, and then you can have fun doing them.
Yep.
So with a potato, the easiest way to do it is on a spoon. Because then what you're going to do, because what you want, if you're chopping it on your chopping board, you have to make sure you don't go all the way through. These are not cut all the way through. So put it on your spoon and just cut down, down, and so your knife gets to the ridges of the spoon and not to the bottom of the potato, like so.
And then if you're going to do another root such as a parsnip or a carrot, you take 2 spoons and use the wooden spoon handle, put them between the handle like so, and then you just cut it to the wood. So your wood, and that way you know you're always in the right place. You're not going to cut all the way through. And again, the same thing, it opens up in concertinas, which is just great. There's one. And you can do this with anything, really. If you're going to do beetroot, I suggest you put it in foil with lots of thyme and butter once you've done it, because roasting a beetroot like this it's very, very hard.
Yeah, and it takes a longer time as well.
Yeah, and parsnips are good, carrots are really good. And I think it's also one of those things that if you're teaching your children how to use a knife, you know it's going to be safe, and I think that works well, So
exactly.
So they go in the oven?
They're going to go in the oven. I've got some garlic as well. And it's just a nice
garlic
way.
again.
I'm getting it in.
You are getting it in everywhere.
And then I'm going to put some oil over my veggies, like so.
And you could put anything you want, couldn't you? You could put sprigs of rosemary over there if you wanted to.
Yeah, garlic butter is a really nice thing. And try and sort of just get it into the
ridges.
Into those little pockets, as you would call them, a little pocket.
And I think the other thing is when you do Hasselback as well, especially carrots and parsnips, is you don't have to roast them. If you cook them in sort of water and a little bit of olive oil or butter and salt and pepper, and you cook them that way, they're delicious because you let all the liquid just evaporate and your carrots are cooked and your parsnips are cooked.
Lovely.
Very simple.
But I think the nice thing about them roasting is that they go really crispy. You get those crispy edges. So these go into an oven, about 180 to 200 for about 45 to 50 minutes.